So my name's Glenn Cosgrave. I'm working as a senior calibration technician for LotusWorks, currently specialising in commissioning and project coordination. It was an interest of mine, yeah. I returned back to a pharmaceutical client and there was projects ongoing. So I was getting to see both what we were doing pre and what we were doing handover, and seeing the whole project all the way through. And I kind of stepped up and took over the commissioning kind of role, and then took on my own projects of commissioning and initial calibrations and setup of instruments.
At LotusWorks, we also can support the client by commissioning. We also offer calibration support during commissioning and expansion projects, ensuring that all new equipment is properly calibrated and integrated.
So they provide end-to-end commissioning within line with the client specifications. They provide, not only they do loop checking, initial setup and initial calibrations of instruments and systems. They don't just stop when they commission, they provide reliability, scheduled calibrations, maintenance, including preventative maintenance and predictive maintenance. We'd look after maintaining scheduled calibrations, predictive and preventive maintenance throughout the asset's life cycle. The team I worked with, we'd always approach an issue with an open mind. If it's two people going to look at an issue, there's a knowledge base there, two different people, different knowledge base of other issues they worked on. My favourite part about the role, not every day is the same. It's constantly, each morning you're coming in, you're going to meetings, you're finding out what you're going to be doing, and then it's changing constantly throughout the day to meet the client's commitments and what's a priority. You're always learning. You're seeing new things, different issues, troubleshooting different types of instruments, and coming up with different solutions and ideas to get the job over the line and keep the client happy.